Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is February the 27th and I'm using my new Magic Scalper trading system. This one uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top along with the super signal indicator. That's the arrows here. Now you will get an audio sound and a pop-up box like you see here making suggestions for buying and or selling. Now usually every morning 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking for trades and checking out all the different instruments. Now today I was running late. I only got in front of the computer at 9 a.m. approximately, checking out all the different instruments, and I took a look at my daily trade plan. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. All of my advisors and indicators and my systems, they only work on the MT4 platform, not the MT5. Love this daily trade plan as I can check all the different time frames from the 30 minutes all the way up to the monthly. I know right away whether I'm thinking about buying or selling. And of course, once it adds everything up, I'm down on the 15 minutes. Sometimes I drop it to the 5 minutes. And then I just look at the comments here whether I should be looking for bullish or bearish trades. Now, if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, doesn't have to be this one, but I went through dozens of them, and this was the best one I ever came across over the past 19 years. If you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one very good reason why you are failing. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. I do prefer Skype. And all my contact information is right below this video. So now we can run a check on these trades. First trade is the pound CAD. Now I bought all of them except for this euro dollar. So let's run a check on this pound CAD. Just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. This system is quite easy to use as there are not a lot of indicators. And of course blue means we're buying, and of course red we're selling. Quite simple concept. And like I said, this is 9 a.m. I pulled the trigger after 9 a.m. It looks like 9:20. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out here just being happy. Looks like with about 9 pips, and that paid out $66. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the euro dollar. Let's run a check on it. Here it is right here. This is the one I sold, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Followed all the rules within my trading system. Everything was saying to sell. Obviously selling back here would have been better, but I was not even in front of the computer at this time. And I knew I was going to get some pips. Definitely not expecting 50 or 100 pips on this euro dollar, as it does not move a lot or even pay a lot. But it still can be traded. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 7 pips, as it pays $10 for each pip because of the USD is on the right hand side. There it is there, 7 pips, and that paid out $70. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. This one wanted to be buying it, so everything lined up perfectly, top and bottom. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. So I'll pull the trigger at this cursor and I close it out here being happy, looks like with 13 pips. And those pips paid out $84. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. Here we go. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. Everything top and bottom, and the daily trade plan said to buy. That's exactly what I did, and away it went. Locking in, looks like 22, and those 22 pips paid out $169. Also, remember, when you buy from me, I will give you support, and without support, there is a very, very good chance you will still fail at trading. Now, after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets. I'll do that in a free Skype call. And of course, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Moving right along to the next trade. Crude oil. Crude oil pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks on the futures and the indexes. Looking at the money, easy to see this should be 23 ticks. So let's just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now everything top and bottom qualified, and it did give strong indications it's going to go up. So I took the trade there, and what did I say? It should be around 23. There it is right there, 23 ticks, paying out $230. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Another one that pays $10 for each tick, so let's see where I got in at. Everything looking great, top and bottom. I knew it was going to go up. Looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each tick, this should be 63. So let's see now. There's your super signal telling me to buy, and away it went. What did I say? 63. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 63 ticks, paying out $630. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. I dropped it down to the 5 minutes to try to get an accurate reading. So let's see where I got in at first of all. Everything looking good when I pulled the trigger. Obviously here would have been better, but I was not in front of the computer. And of course I took the next cycle after the pullback. Everything looking good, top and bottom. Took the trade at this cursor. Now, the DAX 30 pays $3.75, so took the money divided by 3.75. Calculator says it should be approximately 290 ticks. So getting it at this cursor, let's go try to find that 290. Did have it there. There it is again. 290 ticks, and that paid out $1,087. So another great day of trading using my Magic Scalper trading system. Now I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and ticks, mainly because of this DAX 30. Today's grand total came to 427 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,338. Now I have an extra minute or two. Wanted to show you one of the packages below this video. It's called the FibMaster tool. All you got to do is click on this fib tool. You're going to go from swing low to swing high. You can go in any time frame you so desire. Once you start to see a bit of a pullback right in here, that's your bit of a pullback. Just see where it hit. Looks like entry almost 3 here, but let's go with the 2. So getting in anywhere in this general area, and you're usually, normally it'll hit minimum target 2, 3, 4, 5. And on many days, like on this day, it hit so far, and it's still working its way up. It hit number 9, and there's actually a grand total of 10 different targets. This is 100 times much better than the one that comes in the MT4 platform, It's a complete full course with 30 training videos. It's a great tool to have, mainly, and the main reason why it works so well is that millions of traders all over the world are using it. Now, if you're kind of new and you don't know too much about the Fibonacci, this tool, well, just Skype me and I can answer your questions. So now if your system's not working as good as my magic scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or you want to buy anything at all, quite simple, just get in contact with me. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll see a banner, the word more, just click on it, it'll open up another box with a lot of information along with my contact information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. You can send me an email. Now I really do prefer you Skype me. I made a link down there. All you got to do is click on it. And even if you think you don't have Skype, it'll pop up, whether it's your cell phone, tablet, or any kind of computer. And at that point, I'll be able to answer your questions. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.